to say it's been a very, very worthwhile day for me personally. I think we've covered a lot of new material. We've had a revision of old material. But what's been nice is the pleasure of a group of people where the key phrase is mutual respect. Mutual respect for what each of us does in our own clinics, in our own towns, in our own countries, and to share knowledge without boundaries. I think that's great, and I personally commend all of you. So if I applaud, I'm not applauding me, I'm applauding you. Now I hand you over to Jerome for his comment for the day.
Because that I don't speak so much like Sully, and it's about like a politician. First I want to thank you, Sully, to organize this, and I think it plays with very, very well. And you know that I think that's the first Pressing Mania where I was awake all the time. And thank you very much for everybody. Small is beautiful, and I think it was very, very useful. Remember that we are all the VIP club, Vision International Presbyopia. So, and I hope that in 2014 everybody will come to the WOC. And thank you so much to have done such a good conference. Thank you very much, guys.
That's all, folks.